Meditation Book Reading. The Enlightened World by teacher Myung. This poem is called Nature's Flow. Nature's flow is one. Nature's flow is truth. Nature's flow is the whole of creation. Nature's flow has no hindrances. Nature's flow is equality. Nature's flow is us. Nature's flow is of itself. Nature's flow is a long space of time. Nature's flow is order. Nature's flow is trueness. Nature's flow is existence. Nature's flow is non-existence. Nature's flow is man. Nature's flow is life. Nature's flow is death. Nature's flow is nature itself. Nature's flow is to be as it is. Nature's flow is to have. Nature's flow is to have not. Nature's flow means to empty. Nature's flow means to fill. Nature's flow is the whole of the universe as it is. It is nature as it is.